Hey, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. One of my favorite projects here in 2022 is Apollo Inu. It launched in early January. To say that it's had some success here in the first 3 months of 2022 would be, in my opinion, a significant understatement here because they've had a ton of success in a very short amount of time. This project to me is very uniquely situated in that it is doing something that nobody else has really thought of in helping creative people through a community DAO. And if you want a lot more information on this, I just had Matt Johnson, the CEO, who is fully doxxed on the channel last week. It was last Wednesday. Go back and check that out. If you just search in YouTube Apollo Inu AMA, it should pop up. A few of them actually will pop up. That most recent one, again, happened last week. Now, one of the reasons why I really like Apollo is because of their transparency. So they have a Trello board, and this is found over on their website. So let me actually backtrack here, take you to the website. Here it is. Click Roadmap. It will open up the Trello board. The Trello board keeps investors in the know on milestones completed, important information, things that are in the works, things that are coming up next, things that they're actively working on in progress, Q&A section. Everything is right here, a one-stop shop for everything Apollo in terms of what's already been done, what is in the works, and if anybody has questions, right, from the community. So I love that. So the DAO is slowly coming together. We are seeing more and more exchange listings happening. Another one is very imminent. Already 2 locked in, and we're going to talk about a third one we already actually did last week, but I'll reiterate some of that, as well as some other important details that I want you to be aware of. So recently, this was a couple days ago, they right now were just this past weekend at SXSW, which is helping creative people share ideas and achieve their goals since 1987. Apollo had a spot there at the event. You could see they were plastered all over, the what are those things called? The polls. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my train of thought. You know what I'm talking about. Apollo's already raised $4 million, by the way, in their community DAO. So that money is already sitting there, ready to change lives of creators who are underfunded. So it could be musicians, it could be artists, it could be anybody who's creative. It could be a YouTuber right here who just hasn't got off the ground. They could have an opportunity to be awarded funds through the Apollo Inu DAO, which I just love this idea. Number one, because I'm a creative person myself, always have been, spent many times in sports broadcasting, and just I have a natural love for creative people because, it's not the traditional 9 to 5 in an industry that there are always jobs, right? Musicians always struggle to find a gig, right? Painters and any creative people alike. Sometimes it's really difficult to break in, and Apollo Inu is allowing people to break in a little bit easier. Now, here's something else I really like. 8% of the circulating supply has already been burned. They tweeted that out last week as well. This was the link to the AMA. Actually, it's right on their Twitter page if you want to see that in full. That was earlier last week. They just hit 1K on Discord. Again, project just started in January. Okay. Now, this is their third listing in 30 days, exchange listing. This is xt.com out of Singapore. They are getting listed there. Deposits start today. Okay. Trading starts tomorrow. Withdrawals start on the 23rd. Their third exchange listing in 30 days, 3 exchange listings in a month's time. This thing has already surpassed a $100 million market cap. We could take a look at the chart here. This has just been amazing to watch. Right now, coming up on a $103 million market cap, 4.5 million in liquidity locked up. Daily volume today up over $250,000. Just pretty insane, to say the least, in what they've done in a short amount of time. Look at the launch that happened back in January. One of my favorite projects in 2022, without a doubt. Apollo Inu, very unique, and just absolutely love the transparency from their dev team, and the community is fantastic as well. So just wanted to bring you up to speed on some of the things they're working on. Again, one of the top projects in 2022 that I am tracking, personally invested in as well. And that's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know your thoughts about all of this down below in the comment section. Also, Patreon page down there as well, in addition to the I Trust Capital link if you want to start your crypto IRA today. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of your evening or day, wherever you are, and I will see you all in the next video.